Hi everyone, I can't believe that this moment is finally here. YouTube have just sent me this. After late night, after self-doubt and pushing through, I have just attained my 100,000 subscribers and YouTube have awarded me a silver play button. Let's unbox this silver button together. Yes, it came with this box here. Yes, it came with FedEx. Yeah, it was very quick. I ordered this just in a week, and in 3 days it was here. So yeah, I'm really happy. I'm really grateful. Thank you very much for making this happen. Yeah, let's unbox this one. Okay, so we open. When we open, it comes with this protective sponge here. So yeah, it's like that. Then we have a card. Okay, yeah, it's written, congratulations on your subscriber milestone. We are honored to take part in recognizing your achievement and want your experience to be exceptional. This award was inspected and packed with great care by Rick. Thank you very much, Rick, for packing this for me. We also have a letter. We also have a letter which is written, do you remember your first subscriber? Yes, I remember that. That was my hobby. Thank you very much, Michael. Yeah, do you remember your 100 subscriber or your 1,000 subscriber? Chances are you do. And we know that you are definitely remember your 100,000 subscriber. Your fan may have found you while searching YouTube, learned about you through a friend, or maybe you shown up as a recommendation video. No matter how they came to your channel, your audience stayed and their numbers increased because of you and the community you have built. We are proud to honor your impressive milestone of searching and reaching 100,000 subscribers with a Silver Creator Award. Congratulations. Yay! We know that you have many more stories to share with your community, and we know your fans can't wait for you to amaze them even more with your commitment and creativity. Yes. Wow. So keep creating, keep building. We can't wait to see what you all do next. We are here to support you along the way. And who knows, when you reach your millionth subscriber, you may just lie to you and ask, do you remember your 100 subscribers? Yours sincerely, Niles Mohan, YouTube CEO. Wow, I'm really grateful. I'm really happy. Thank you very much, our CEO, Mohan. Niles Mohan, our CEO. So yeah, let's continue. Our next step is this. Wow, look how it is. It's protected with a plastic and yeah, very well packed. Okay, Lick, thank you very much for taking care of my silver button. Thank you very much. I'm really happy. I'm really grateful. Keep up the good work. Yeah, so when we lift, we get, we also have a recognize your team. You have this to recognize your team. What? Okay, so the silver button is here with a plastic and wow. Yes, I'm really happy, really excited, guys. So yeah, this is how it is. Wow, it's written, presented to Monica Jagger for passing 100,000 subscribers. YouTube. Wow. Yeah, so it is like this. It's very light. It's not that heavy. It's not heavy. It's light. It's like this. So yeah, congratulations. Thank you very much for making this happen. This is to tell you that your dreams can come true. Everything that you are waiting for. When you put hard work, it can come true. Okay? Hard work, consistency, and applying discipline. That's what you need to get your dream come true. Okay? So yeah, we say that success is your choice. Success is your choice. Make sure that you ignite your passion. Ignite your passion. Make sure that you believe in yourself. Make sure that you put the work. Put the action. Take the action. Okay? Yeah, so this is how it is. At the back, it's like this. You can put it, fix it on the wall. You can fix it on the wall with the 2 holes here to fix it in the wall. Okay? Yeah, so it's like this. Wow. Thank you very much, guys, for letting me my dream come true. Thank you for everyone who has subscribed to the channel. Make sure that you stay subscribed, because now we are on our way to 200,000 subscribers for next year. That's the milestone, okay? I gave myself a milestone every year. So next year is to reach 200,000 subscribers. I've been working hard. I have been consistent. I have been applying discipline to post, okay? So yeah, if you have any question, leave it down below on the comment. Let me know whether you want to know how to grow on your YouTube, what to do to grow on YouTube to get your first 100 subscribers and to get your second what you want. Yeah, let me know down below, okay? So yeah, this is how it is. I'm really proud of myself. I'm really proud of you. Thank you very much for believing in me and helping me achieve my dream. Okay? Yeah, thank you very much, YouTube, for recognizing me as a YouTube creator. Okay? Thank you very much. I'm really happy. I'm really grateful. Yeah. So, guys, success is a choice. Make sure that you apply discipline. Make sure that you take an action. Ignite your passion. Believe in yourself, okay? And trust God. Everything gonna go as you want, okay? Your dreams gonna come true whenever you apply discipline. You stay consistent. Consistency is the key. I know several here are not consistent. Several of you here are not consistent and you want to grow. You cannot do without being consistent, okay? Yeah, so apply discipline and be consistent. Get there, give the work, put the work, okay? And then wait and see what's gonna happen, okay? All our dreams are varied. All our dreams are varied. Thank you very much. Don't forget to subscribe. I always do my live streamings every Wednesday and every Sundays. So feel free to subscribe and put on the notification bell so that you can be notified whenever I post and whenever I go live, okay? Thank you very much, everyone. Let's celebrate. Celebrate with me. Celebration. Let's celebrate, guys. Celebrate with me on this award, okay? Silver play button from YouTube. Wow. My goodness. Thank you, God. I can't believe that this day is finally here. I'm celebrating every day. And I have a challenge for you. Let's all be grateful for everything that we have. When you wake up in the morning, don't complain of what you don't have. Yeah, just celebrate of what you have. Be grateful and show gratitude to God for everything that you have, okay? Even for waking up, it's a miracle. Even for waking up, it's a gift. Even for the health, it's a gift, okay? So make sure that you join me on this challenge, because I want us to be grateful in everything that we are doing, okay? And every dream, every blessings is a milestone for you, okay? So thank you very much. I'm really happy. I'm talking too much. Let me put this off now because I'm really grateful. Thank you. Bye.